It's been a while since I've decided to do an update to the channel. So here, see that faded stupid string there? The shade is just toasted. So Maria decided we're going to replace it. So let me see how we can do this. There are 2 screws holding this valance in. I'm going to take those out on both sides so we can remove this valance and then get up here. There's a cupboard, so I have to get up here to get that taken out. So bear with me. Okay, I have the valances down right there. And just got to get the shade out of there first. And I had to undo my corner desk here that we had put in over the winter time too. I just had that attached with 2 out brackets. Then I just got to remove that. And that. And then take the shade out of the brackets that hold it in the top.
CourtTV.com. In Tennessee, jury selection is underway in the Karen Swift murder trial. Her husband right there, David.
This is the blind we're using.
Thank you, Mr. Gucci. Thank you, sir.
The tool needed.